This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up FastLink. First, ensure you have all your financial account login details ready. Next, navigate to the FastLink portal through your financial institution's website or application. This initial step is crucial for a smooth integration process. We'll walk through each stage, making sure you understand the requirements and benefits of connecting your accounts. Let's get started with the first steps. Now, let's connect your accounts. You'll see a list of financial institutions. Simply select yours. Then, securely enter your username and password for each account you wish to link. FastLink uses robust encryption to protect your information. After entering your details, review the data sharing permissions. It's important to understand what information will be shared to ensure your comfort and security throughout the process. Once your accounts are linked, take a moment to review them. FastLink will display a summary of your connected institutions and the data imported. Check that all your accounts appear correctly and that the financial data is accurate. You can also manage your linked accounts from this section, updating credentials or removing connections if necessary. This ensures your financial overview remains current and precise. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues during setup. If you see an error message, double-check your credentials or try again after a few minutes. FastLink offers a streamlined way to view all your finances in one place, saving you time and effort. This comprehensive overview helps you make informed financial decisions. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy the convenience of FastLink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.